Hey, good afternoon, Drake. This is Tim at J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. I can be reached by phone or text at 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. This is the 2010 GMC Yukon SLT, 81,000 mile that you'd inquired about with us. Has an SLT-2. It's a backup camera, factory tow package, running boards, aluminum wheels, has 8-passenger seating. The back seats are folded down at the moment. Rear entertainment DVD, power sunroof, auto track 4-wheel drive, 81,000 miles, factory remote start, AM/FM radio with CD, also has auxiliary input, dual zone climate control, power adjustable pedals, StabiliTrak, the auto track 4-wheel drive switch. Really nice vehicle. I have it here at the Cedarville store. $23,952. It's a 2-owner leather 2010 GMC Yukon SLT-2, 81,000 miles. Look forward to hearing back from you. I hope you're having a great Thursday. Bye.